Another problem that faces us, not, of course, to do playoff is the funding issue. In fact, we had an agreement with MTN that we signed in 2017, and it lapsed. So we had to negotiate and to strike a deal for us, for them to continue supporting, especially the playoff. So this year playoff is a joint sponsorship between MTN as well as Capital Pay. The MTN pays 60% of the budget, and Capital Pay 40% of the budget. And of course, as we said, the concern of the players, our responsibility to make sure the our court is really favorable and healthier for the players. So the theme of this year playoff is very simple, is let's show basketball's excitement. So let basketball move, let us play basketball. So the objective of this conference are mainly 2 or 3 objectives. One objective is to announce that we are kicking off the long-awaited playoff tournament we start in 2020-2021. And also we need also to express, the Central Equatorial Basketball Association, to express our gratitude and happiness to the leadership of MTN South Sudan and Capital Pay for making agreement possible and for them injecting them some little money for us to move forward. Of course, the playoff is the bottom line of all tournament that we do. So the playoff is the last, activity within the calendar of Basketball Association. So after regular season, immediately come playoff. And the objective of playoff, the team that really money to win the game is capable or is allowed now to represent the nation or to represent the clubs within the region. For example, they can go and play in Basketball African League, BAL, or they will also participate to represent Central Equatoria or South Sudan in general in Zone 5. So it is very, very critical and very important, activity. So the playoff of this year is be played by 8 teams. Those are qualifying teams that managed to prevail during the regular season. And these teams are Al Hilal, Black Stars, Citizen, Copra, Budeli United, National Engineering, Numero Talata, and Warriors. In fact, I put them as based on a vertical order. It's not based on the, so they will be playing 24 games. They will be playing 24 games. Each team will play 3 games, and eventually it will lead us to quarter final. Four teams will be competing for that period. Then we will be semi-final, and finally the final match. So it will be for 2 weeks, commencing as from Friday, I think 28. It will start. The winning team, there are a number of trophies and medals and prizes that are made available for this tournament. The best team will get trophy, golden medal, plus some financial token. For the second team, they will get, of course, first and second team, they will get the medal, the golden medal, badge and bronze. For the second class, the financial backing. There are some other also gifts that will come out from this tournament. There will be MVP, earlier man of the game. This will be given every game. Then there will be overall best scorer, who the player that will score a good number of scores will be given something. Also overall defender will be given trophy. One of the trophies, that one will be given to. And then the disciplined player will be given a financial token. And the best younger player, because there are in terms of age, one of young guys playing well also will get something. And then there will be push requests to federation. Playoff, as I said, is meant for the best team within the republic. The only active and viable association is Central Equatorial Basketball Association. And for us, we see that fair, because we compete among our team within Central Equatoria. So we are expecting the Federation to make sure that 10 states of South Sudan have a viable, active associations with respective clubs in 3 administrative areas. Because when we are going to have a playoff, it will be playoff competition of the best players within 10 states plus 3 administrative areas. And I believe that if it is done, we'll get the best out of the country to present us outside the Republic. My appeal also going to sponsors, especially the Capital Pay, MTN, and also we are going to look for more opportunities. We are not only going to restrict ourselves to MTN, because basketball, South Sudan is known, our basketball is really is in South Sudan. We need to do our contribution to make sure that we support our young guys to make basketball really a good game for this republic. So MTN and Capital Pay, we don't want you only to support their. We need to be always with us throughout. We need to move outside, Juba. We need to make good courts in schools, biams within Central Equatoria. And I believe I'm urging the minister to make sure that MTN and whoever is really doing business in Central Equatoria, portion of corporate social responsibility must be taken seriously so that our people really benefit from this. Because they are making money, they are taking too much money from our people, we need a return also back from them. And those returns can come through small contribution. We need to have, indoor kind of basketball court, and this one, of course, it can be spearheaded by the Central Equatoria government through the investors in the states to make sure that we have enclosed basketball facility that really can host international and regional tournaments. My special request also go to Central Equatoria government through the minister, and I believe will convey to His Excellency or Honorable Governor that what I mentioned about the contribution of companies as a part of corporate social responsibility will not come without our backing. So I believe we can also back our state to make sure that this become a reality. And also we need a political will. We have been here for the last 2 years or 4 years, we never got anything. We have been struggling, but I believe the government of Central Equatoria must try to at least, inject some little political will, some financial backing, so that we move forward. The final thing is what I want to express is about the election. We have been here for the last 4 years, even more than 4 years, and as per the requirements of the law, we are supposed to conduct the General Assembly for them to elect a new body. And I'm urging all clubs to make sure that as soon as we finish the playoff, we are going to hold General Assembly so that we elect a new body that will represent us in a good way. And of course, that General Assembly is associated with so many requirements. So we should be in agreement as per the rule or regulation stipulated in the Registrar of Youth Organization and Sport and the Minister of Sport, Central Equatoria. So we prepare ourselves as soon as we finish the playoff, we call ourselves so that we elect a new body. Thank you very much.